Hello guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Silicon Oasis, of course dito sa Dubai. And nandito tayo kasi may meeting tayo kay Sir Aman from India. He's doing business here, he's got a lot of restaurants, coffee shops. So ngayon nandito tayo sa isang restaurant niya sa Silicon Oasis. And then mamaya pupuntahan na natin yung commissary on which doon natin lulutuin yung KCO. Right? So, first commissary is a vegetable commissary where halal yung mga pagkain doon na pinoproduce doon. Then the second commissary will be the meat commissary kung saan daw doon daw yung mga hindi halal. So, whichever, kung ano man yung mapili natin doon, yun yung gagamitin natin for KCO. The second one, I think, pwede ko siyang gamitin for other products na ipoproduce natin dito sa Dubai. And then, yun lang. So, here, go Thai. Coffee lang tayo. Let's have some tea. So, it was a nice place. Itong lugar na to, it's like parang Alabang to sa Manila. Ito yung parang Alabang. There's tech companies here, mga startups, and all that. So, yeah, coffee lang tayo dito. Tapos, punta tayo sa commissary. I'm very excited. How are you? I'm doing great.
Please come.
Alright. Come on, let's go. Hello, sir. I'm Josh. So, we're here. Nandito na tayo sa commissary. Vegetable commissary to. And pasukin natin. Check natin yung laman. Here, there's a meat production here. There's the vegetable cutting. So dito tayo magka-cut ng mga kangkong. Right? And then we cook there. Right over here. So dito tayo magluluto ng KCO. Ito yung source natin ng gas. Then dito yung water source. Okay naman siya. Actually, this could be 24 hours production for this kind of space. Kasi medyo maliit lang. So I think it would last for about 2 months muna tayong ganito. And then tsaka tayo nilipat for another commissary na mas malaki. Right? Kasi for now, magte-testing lang tayo. And syempre, ipoproduce natin sa market. Though may mga distributors na tayo dito na nag-aabang. This would work. Dito lang din naman tayo nagsimula. Diba? Nagsimula lang din naman tayo sa maliit na ganitong area. Sa Pilipinas, sa bahay natin, sa tabing bahay. Pero ito, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dubai. And ganito lang din kalaki, pero at least nasa Dubai na tayo. It was really great and I'm excited na i-share sa inyo ang kwento na to and ang strategies ko. Masaya ako, I'm very happy and medyo nakaka-touch and nakaka-overwhelm lang yung mga nangyayari these past few months and days. And I want to thank you guys for your support. Sobrang na-appreciate ko kayong lahat. And then, mga taga-Dubai dyan, mga taga-Dubai, UAE, kahit saan ka pa dito sa Dubai, kita-kits tayo. KCO is coming. Tapos na and we're heading to our next destination. Mag-check muna tayo ng restaurant sa Al Riga. Right, so may mga businesses tayo na nabubuo dito, of course, with Aman. And talking about this place, it was nice. Maganda yung lugar na to. And the location is very perfect kasi industrial lang itong lugar na to sa Dubai. So itong lugar na to ay walang mga restaurants dito. There's no restaurants. Lahat dito for factory lang, for production lang lahat. So yeah. Makikita nyo ang ganda ng view. Ganda ng office ni Aman, di ba? Nakita nyo yung office ni Aman. It was nice. The view is nice. And may tatayo daw dito na world's tallest hotel. Yan. Next sa Burj Khalifa. So mas mataas siya sa Burj Khalifa. So It was a nice location for our commissary. Kung dito ako magkaka-factory, why not? Diba? Bro, imagine mo na lang na nandito ako, papasok ako sa office. Yo, man.
Come in my range.
Wow. I wanna check it, man. Let's check man's Range Rover.
No.
Woo! Alright, so nandito tayo sa Lotus Grand Hotel and we'll check yung restaurant nila dito. Kasi probably makapagtayo tayo ng restaurant dito. So i-check natin yung location, yung kitchen, kung maayos ba and kung ano pa yung renovations na kailangan gawin. All of that kind of stuff. So, pasukin natin and we'll show you kung ano yung itsura ng resto. Ngayon, African restaurant siya. African. Then, we'll turn it into a Filipino cuisine. Bakit? Kasi nasa Alriga tayo. Alright, so Alriga, ibig sabihin, napakaraming Filipinos dito. So, a Filipino cuisine would work and it would be a successful restaurant kapag pinalitan natin ng Filipino cuisine tong African restaurant dito. So, come on. Let's dive into it. Yo guys, team, where are we?
Man, the night market.
Yeah, we're at the
Riga.
night market here at Alriga. Siyempre, nandito tayo sa Dubai pa rin, man.
Sweet over here.
Yeah.
This
Look
is
at
the hot
that.
spot.
Look at that, team. There's a lot of Filipino foods right there. Inihaw King. You know what's inihaw?
No.
Inihaw means barbecue.
Barbecue?
Yeah, it's
Inihaw.
grilled
Man.
pork barbecue,
put me on
chicken
game.
barbecue, yeah.
We have stuff like this in Detroit, and we have stuff like
Oh,
this
really?
in San Francisco.
A
Yeah.
night market.
It's like it's similar. Yeah, not
Yeah.
as cool. You can't buy anything, but you can get food.
You can't
At
buy.
least.
Yeah, at least.
I mean, in the U.S., you know, they have too many rules.
Right.
Too many rules. You can't have anything like this. No way.
Ah, ito na yung night market. Nice. Ang daming
Wait.
tinda. Tim, do you know what's kwek kwek?
I have no idea.
Yeah, that's my favorite food, bro.
Really?
Yeah,
get it.
let's try to find some kwek kwek.
But what is it that we're looking for?
We're looking for quail eggs.
Quail eggs.
Yeah, it's called egg waffles. Yeah. And you know what's the English of taho? Soya milk with tapioca balls. Yeah, you
Okay.
know.
Like boba.
Hey, Tim, look at that.